Fits. JT Gladiator. Front leveling height, 1.5. Max tire sport, Overland Fenders, 33 inches Rubicon Fenders, 35. Max tire diameter rated with stock wheel backspacing. Wheels with less backspacing than stock, 4.5–5 inches backspacing, will require at least 0.5 rear bump stop strike pad extensions to avoid tire rubbing on the inner fender liner at full compression when articulated. Not included. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Included components. Instructions hardware 4 spring spacers bumpstops. Even when reality demands that you keep your JT Gladiator family friendly, TeraFlex will satisfy your primal need to go big. Our JT 1.5 Performance Spacer Leveling Kit allows you to run a larger tire with added clearance on the trail, all while maintaining family-friendly versatility. Not only does the 1.5 Performance Spacer Leveling Kit clear larger tires, but the additional height helps compensate for heavier aftermarket bumpers and winch, a larger spare tire or weekend gear. Works with stock-length shock absorbers. Does not include shocks. We recommend Falcon Performance Shocks. These shock absorbers are engineered to improve both compression and rebound for optimal vehicle stability. The 1.5 Performance Spacer Leveling Kit is offered without shock absorbers. Falcon Performance Shocks are available separately. Specs. Fits. JT Gladiator Front Leveling Height, 1.5, Max Tire Diameter, Sport, Overland Fenders, 33 inches Rubicon Fenders, 35 inches includes, 1-inch lift front coil spring spacers 0.5, lift front coil spring spacers 1-inch front bump stop strike pad extensions 2 all necessary hardware notes, max tire diameter rated with stock wheel backspacing. Wheels with less backspacing than stock, 4.5–5 inches backspacing, will require at least 0.5 rear bump stop strike pad extensions to avoid tire rubbing on the inner fender liner at full compression when articulated. Not included. Models with plastic bumpers require removal of bumper-to-fender wind deflector splash guards in order to fit 35 inches or larger tires. Works with original or stock-length aftermarket shock absorbers, not included in base kit. Falcon Performance Shocks recommended. Install time, 3 hours, 3.5 hours with shocks. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install. This level lift goes in quickly. I did it in an hour. I have done many lifts over the years. Proper tools help things go fast. I would do a 2 for level, this 1.5 leaves a bit of a dip in front.